decimal to octal conversion. In order to convert decimal number into any base, it may be octal, hexadecimal, or some base 5, base 7, base 9, likewise. So what we have to do is, we have to perform successive division for integer part with that base and successive multiplication for fractional part with that base. For example, 378 base 10. We have to convert this decimal number into octal number base 8. Okay. So here there is no fractional part. There is only integer part here in this number. So you have to perform successive division of this number with base 8. Okay. For example, if I want to convert this into base 7, then we have to perform successive division with base 7. Okay. Now we want to convert this decimal number into base 8. Right. So take this number 378 and then divide it with base 8. Right. So 378 divided by 8, I am getting 47. Okay. With a remainder 2. With a remainder 2. Right. And again 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 7. And now I can't divide 5 by 8. So stop here. Right. Write these remainders from bottom to top. Bottom to top. So 572 base 8 is the answer. 572 base 8 is the answer. Okay. So let us take another example. Here I want to convert 521 base 10, okay, decimal number into base 8. Base 8. So what I have to do? I have to divide this 521 with base 8. There is no fractional part here. So I have to take only integer part. So for integer part, we have to perform successive division with the base. So I have to divide this 521 with the base 8. The answer is 65. So 65 into 8 is 520. So the remainder is 1. Okay. And now 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 1. And again 8 1s are 8. The remainder is 0. So 521 means 1011 base 8. Okay. To check whether the answer is right or wrong, again convert this base 8 into decimal 520 decimal number system. You have to get 521. So 1011 base 8. Now you have to convert this octal number into a decimal number. Okay. So what you have to do? We have to multiply each digit with the base. Okay. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square, 8 cube. So 1 into 8 cube plus 1 into 8 plus 1. Okay. So 8 cube is 512 plus 8 ones are 8 plus 1. Okay. So it is 520. 512 plus 8, 520. 520 plus 1, 521. So don't get bothered about 1011. It is a octal number. Don't think it as a binary number. Okay. Since base 8 number system has also ones and zeros, this number is base 8 number system. Okay. This is a base 8 number. Right. So let us take another example. 2351.621 base 10. We have to convert this into base 8 number system. Okay. What we have to do? Write the integer part here and write fractional part here. Right. The integer part is 2351. The fractional part is 0.621. Okay. So what we have to do? To convert any decimal number into octal number system, we have to divide integer part with that base and multiply fractional part with that base. So to convert decimal number into octal, so I have to divide this integer part with 8 and I have to multiply fractional part with 8. Okay, so 8 divided by 2351. Okay, the answer is 293 with the remainder 7. Okay, and now again 836 will go. Okay, 836 will go with the remainder 5. Again 8 4s 32. 8 4 32, remainder is 4. Okay, so you have to take remainders from bottom to top. So for integer part the value is 4457. Okay, likewise perform this operation for fractional part also. 0.621 multiplied by 8. Okay, 0.621 multiplied by 8, you will get 4.968. 4.968. Okay, in this answer take out the integer part. The integer part is 4. In this number the integer part is 4. Okay, take out the integer part. Write down the fractional part. 0.968. Okay, 0.968 into 8. Perform again multiplication with 8. Okay, the value is 7.888. Sorry, 0.968 into 8. The value is 7.7. Sorry, the value is 7.744. Okay, from this number take out the integer part. Okay, 7, and write down the fractional part. 0.744. Right? So again multiply this number with 8. You will get 5.952. Okay, from this number take out the integer part. The integer part is 5. Take out the integer part and write down the fractional part. 0.952. Okay, again multiply with 8. Okay, into 8. The value is 7.616. So from this take out the integer part again, 7, and write down the fractional part. 0.616 into 8. So the value is 4.928. Take out the integer part and write down the fractional part here. Likewise you have to perform. Okay, so mostly take up to 5 values, it's enough. And here write down this integer part you have to taken out from the answers when multiplying with 8 top to bottom. Okay, write these numbers from top to bottom. So the value here is 47574. Okay, this is the value here. Write down from top to bottom. Okay, so the total answer now is 4457, which came from integer part, point, and the answer from fractional part 47574. 47574. Okay, so this is the final answer. Right? Keep one thing in mind. When dealing with integer part, write the reminders from bottom to top. When dealing with the fractional part, write this integer part which came as result when multiplying with 8 from top to bottom. Okay, so you will get the final answer if we append all this.